Okay, well, thanks for joining me. I have my name is Ken Potter. I have a company that based here in Central Connecticut. It's called Household Real Estate, and what we do is we buy properties, we fix them up, and then we resell them or we keep them as rentals. I have a new application that I need some help with. Here on the screen is we have a Microsoft Access, where we have loaded about 135 different types of records. And what I would like to do is to hire somebody who can help with the data entry of these. Right now, this file is stored on Dropbox, and unfortunately, at this point, I'm the only one who can update it. So primarily, what I do is I update and they're really kind of four categories. Let me go to here. There's something that I created. It's called Ellie's List. And basically what I'm looking to do is somehow create a portal on my website, householdrealestate.com, where I would have an assistant who would probably be remote, like a virtual assistant. And basically what they would do is they would put in dates. This is something that's called Ellie's Date. And basically it's something that it's named after my daughter, but basically it's properties that need fixing up. So if I was walking down the street and saw this on First Avenue, this in Enfield, 28 First Avenue, and I saw it was a property that needed a lot of work, in this section right here, I just put the date that I saw it, and the date is probably basically it's the key thing. I also have a table set up here with foreclosures and liens. So if someone is in a pre-foreclosure or potential foreclosure, or someone has a significant lien, a judgment lien against the property, I put in the date here or the date here where either the foreclosure was posted or where the lien was recorded. And all this information I can get online at various websites that I have subscriptions to. So, and then the last one is probate, which is where somebody had inherited a property, and that person who inherited a property, for example, here, the person's first name, the executor's last name, the street address, the town that they live in, the state, the date that the probate where it was recorded, and then the zip code of the executor. And this is information that I update myself on a regular basis. But what I really need to do is I need to have someone remotely who can update it. So the project that I need some help from you on is creating, on my website or maybe on a different website, a new website that I create, is where someone can add this information. They can't delete any information, but they can add information or they can edit existing information. So that it would update my mailing list, and that's really the scope of work that I'm looking to do. Again, these are the tables I would do, which is Ellie's List, which is properties that are that need a lot of work. There's actually this one which we didn't go over: evicted tenants, landlords who have a property where they've evicted a tenant. There's here, which is foreclosure and liens, and then there's probate, where they would add the person who inherited the property, their name. So again, that's kind of what that's really kind of what I need. I know I'm going to probably start repeating myself, but that's the scope of the project. So I'll be looking for somebody to create this web-based application where I'd have my virtual assistant update the records.